Yeah, next one more problem. U is equal to cos inverse x by y plus tan inverse y by x. Then prove that x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to 0. You see, we need to have the first term also as a function of y by x, or the second term as a function of x by y, because if both are in same terms, then we can solution is easy to follow this. Using the fact that tan inverse alpha is equal to cot inverse of 1 by alpha, given u can be put in the form. What form? U is equal to cos inverse x by y plus cot inverse x by y, because tan becomes in reverse of cot inverse. So in both are the functions are x by y and x by y. So u is equal to cos inverse x by y plus cot inverse x by y, that is equal to, that is first equation. So u is equal to y to the power of 0 cos inverse x by y plus cot inverse x by y. You can write this one. Y power 0 becomes 1. So u is equal to 1 1 into cos inverse x by y plus cot inverse x by y. So y power 0 of g of x by y, where here n is equal to 0. U is homogeneous of degree 0, because homogeneous means here if you take x by y also 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0, or y power 0 also, that is homogeneous. That's why u is homogeneous of degree 0 where n is equal to 0. This is the function. Now we need to verify that x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to 0 where u is equal to 0. Now differentiating one partially with respect to x. Now dou u by dou x is equal to what? Dou u by dou x, that is the differentiation of cos inverse x. Cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by root of x square minus y square. That's why dou u by dou x is equal to minus y by root y square minus x square into 1 by y. Dou u by dou x is equal to minus y by root of y square minus x square into 1 by y. Y cancel. Why we write like this here means dou u by dou x cos inverse x. Cos inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. By using that formula, dou u by dou x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square by y square. Y square is LCM. Y square in under root y square becomes in numerator, that is minus y by under root of y square minus x square into the derivative with respect to x by y with respect to x is 1 by y, same as minus 1 by minus cot inverse x by y derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square by y square means y square plus x square. Y square go in numerator. So y square by x square, y square plus x square is the derivative for cot inverse x with respect to x into the derivative of for x by y is 1 by y. So here y cancel, y cancel. Dou u by dou x is minus 1 by root of 1 y square minus x square minus y by root of y by y square plus x square. That is second equation. Differentiating one with respect to y, we get dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x by y whole square. That is minus x by y square plus dou u by dou y, because x by y 1 minus 1 by x minus y x by y whole square into the derivative for x by y with respect to x is minus x by y square plus Second, minus 1 by 1 plus x square x by y whole square into the derivative for x by y with respect to y is minus x by y square. After simplification, we got dou u by dou y is y by dou u by dou y is y by under root of y square minus x square into x by y square, because minus into minus becomes plus y by under root of y square minus x square into x by y square plus y square by x square plus y square into x by y square, because minus into minus again here also plus. So the LCM for denominator is y square plus x square, y square comes in numerator, that is y square by x square plus y square into x by y square. After simplification, y here root square is cancelled, and in second term y square cancel. So finally we got dou u by dou y is x by y into under root of y square minus x square plus x by y square, x square plus y square. So what we have to prove in the question? What is the question? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. So we got dou u by dou x means x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y as a consequence of second and third. So that is second is dou u by dou x. If you multiply with x dou u by dou x means it will come x dou u by dou x minus x by root of y square minus x square minus xy by x square plus y square plus third with y means x by root of 1 x square plus y square, because y cancel, that's why x by root of x square minus y square minus x square plus xy by x square plus y square. You see, first term and third term with negative positive, second fourth cancel. So x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to 0. So this is x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to 0, means x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. This is Euler's theorem, but the given function may not be in the directly may not be in the homogeneous equation. We can change this equation to homogeneous and write the by Euler's theorem, that is x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to 0, because the degree for that given equation is 0 only. So next question. If f of xy is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 by xy plus log x minus log y by x square plus y square, prove that same, that is x dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y plus 2f is equal to 0. Most of the problems are by using Euler's theorem. We can prove this. So x dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y means same, the given f of xy is 1 by x square plus 1 by xy plus log x minus log y by x square plus y square. So log x minus log y can be written as log x by y, because the formula for log x minus log y is log m minus log n, that is log m by n formula, that is log of x by y. 1 by x square plus 1 by xy plus log of x by y by x square plus y square. This is the question f of xy value from the given question. So here f is a function of x and y, because f is a function of x and y of degree what? Minus 2, because 1 by x square becomes a numerator, that is minus 2. 1 by xy, the numerator in coming in numerator is minus 1, that is minus 2. Here also x by y is 1, 1 minus 1 0, this is minus 2 minus 2. That's why the total equation of f is a function of x and y with the degree of minus 2. Then we write the solution for this one. F of xy is equal to 1 by y square into y square. It means just we simplify the question only, not here differentiating. 1 multiply with y square into y square, 1 by x square plus 1 by xy plus log of x by x square plus y square. So 1 by y square common, y square go in that side in numerator, in the bracket, y square by x square plus y square by xy plus y square of log x by x square plus y square. So 1 by y square becomes minus 2. This will come 1 by x by y whole square plus 1 by x by y plus log of x by y whole square plus 1. So finally, this is the homogeneous in the values in the function of x by y in the type of xy of degree minus 2, because y becomes in numerator, the power of y becomes in denominator, numerator is y to the power of minus 2. Y to the power of minus 2 or 1 by x by y whole square means this is x, this f of xy is the homogeneous of degree minus 2. We have Euler's theorem, that is x dou f by dou y plus y dou f by dou y is equal to nf, where n is the degree. Here n is equal to minus 2. Means, you see, why we change this by here by x by y, because total equation are different ways. Wherever suppose there is a function for sin u, there is sin u and sin u. There is only terms are sin u only. One is sin u, another one is cos u. That is not a homogeneous function. That's why this can be total equation can be changed in the x by y form. That's why here we multiply with the multiply and divided with the y by y square. So f of xy is equal to minus y square 1 by x by y whole square plus 1 by x by y plus log of x by x by y whole square plus 1. Here f of xy is homogeneous of degree minus 2. So we have Euler's theorem for xy, that is x dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y is equal to nf, where here n is equal to minus 2. X dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y is equal to minus 2f. Minus 2f becomes in left side, that is x dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y plus 2f is equal to 0, which is our required equation. Okay. So this is our x dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y minus 2f becomes in left, that is plus 2f is equal to 0. Okay. We come to the next question. This is no consulting with Euler's theorem. This is a separate question. That is, if u is equal to e power xyz, find dou 3 u by dou x dou y dou z. This is third degree equation, third derivative equation, means derivative with partially with respect to x y z to the u. So that's why u is equal to e power xyz is given. Means what is dou u by dou z? You see here, we want to find the value for dou 3 u by dou x dou y of dou z. Means first is dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z is e power xyz into xy, because with respect to z, xyz derivative is xy only. So dou u by dou z is e power xyz into xy. Again dou 2u by dou y dou z means this can be written as dou by dou y of dou u by dou z. We know the value for dou u by dou z, that is dou by dou y of xy into e power xyz. So x of these are the x is common, because we respect partially differentiating with respect to y means x treated as a constant, x constant bracket y into first term y, the derivative of second is e power xyz into again the derivative with respect to y is xz, plus the derivative of exyz is exyz, and the derivative of y is 1. So x into y, x of y into e power xyz into xz plus exyz into 1. You can use exy instead of exyz, that is u also, but sometimes we are confused, that's why I cannot write here exyz is equal to u. Completely we write exyz. So here xy into xz becomes x square yz e power xyz plus x into e power yz x power yz. So exyz is common, it will comes x square yz plus x, that is dou 3u by dou y dou z, dou 2u by dou y dou z. Now we want to find dou 3u by dou x dou y dou z is dou by dou x of dou 2u by dou y dou z. That is nothing but dou by dou x of x square yz plus x of e power xyz. You treat it as two functions. We use uv method if necessary. X square yz plus x first function derivative, because this is also in x terms, this is also in x terms. So x square yz plus x is first function into e power xyz into yz, because the derivative of xyz with respect to x is yz plus e power xyz of derivative of x square yz with respect to x is 2xyz plus 1. If we, after simplification, we got e power xyz is common of x square yz into yz, that is x square y square z square plus x into yz xyz plus 2xyz plus 1, where exyz is common. Exyz common, x square y square z square, 2xyz plus xyz is 3xyz plus 1. So finally e power xyz can be written as u of 1 plus 3xyz plus x square y square z square, which is the required solution for the given problem. That is if u is equal to e power xyz. This is okay. So next, next problem is if u is equal to a power theta cos of a log r, prove that dou 2u by dou r2 plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square dou 2u by dou theta 2 is equal to 0. This is some critical, not a critical, but just concentrating what term in what term gives in what terms, means u is in theta and r. So u is equal to a power e power a theta cos of log r. Here variables are theta and r. Remaining a is constant, cos and log r is the constant. Cos is the trigonometric function and log r by the derivative for log r. Like we can write like that. In this question dou u by dou r is there. That's why first of all what we have to prove here, prove that dou 2u by dou r2 plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square, means here we want to find dou u by dou r and dou u by dou theta. First second orders. Dou u by dou r is minus e power a theta. Why that is minus e power a theta? Because the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. That's why minus sin of a log r into a by r, because we write the derivative for partial for only r, excepted r, all terms are treated as a constant, whatever it may theta, whatever it may a also. So minus e to the power of a theta sin of a log r into a by r. The derivative of a log r is a into a by r. That is first equation. So what is second derivative for this? Dou 2u by dou r2 is equal to dou 2u by dou r2 is equal to dou by dou r of dou u by dou r. That is minus of e power a theta is again that is treated as a constant because there is no r term in that one. E to the power of a theta is e power a theta minus theta minus only minus is there. Sin of log r, because here there is a u by v method. First function that is sin of log ar into second function is minus a by r square. The derivative of a by r is minus a by r square plus a by r as it is. The derivative for sin a log r is cos a log r into again the derivative for a log r is a by r. That a by r, this will come a square by a by r already is there. Again the internal derivative for a log r is a by r, so that will comes a square by r square. So finally dou 2u by dou r2 is a square a by r square e power a theta, because here 2 minus becomes plus a by r square e power a theta sin of a log r plus cos of a log r, sorry here minus is there, a square by r square e power a theta. So common for both minus is there. If we open the bracket with minus, minus into plus becomes minus a square by r square e power a theta cos of a log r. This is second equation. This is the value for dou 2u by dou r2. So what is dou u by dou theta? Dou u by dou theta is a e power a theta cos of a log r. With respect to the derivative of e power a theta is e power a theta, internal derivative for a theta is a. So dou u by dou theta is a e a power a theta cos of a log r, cos of a log r. So dou by dou theta of dou u by dou theta is dou by dou theta of again the derivative for this one, that is a e power theta cos a log r. This is again cos a log r treated as a constant because we find the derivative with respect to theta. That's why dou by dou theta of dou u by dou theta is remains cos of a log r. The derivative for e power a theta is e power a theta into a, that is a square. A square into e power a theta cos of a log r. So consider what is the given question, that is dou 2u by dou r2 plus 1 by r into dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square dou 2u by dou theta 2. These all terms we already find. So what is the value of dou 2u by dou r2? That is a by r square e power a theta sin of a log r minus a square by r square e power a theta cos of a log r. This one plus 1 by r dou u by dou r is minus a by r square e power a theta sin a log r plus what is third question? Third, that is dou u by dou 1 by r square dou 2u by dou theta is 1 by r square is a square by r square. You see third equation, a square by r square e power a theta cos of a log r. Is there any constant common terms is there in the bracket? You see, first a by r square e power a theta cos sin of a log r, and minus a by r square e power a theta sin a log r. These two cancel. I will give the separate symbols for the cancellation. Take finally it will becomes 0. So dou 2u by dou r2, dou 2u by dou r2 plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square dou 2u by dou theta 2 becomes 0. So this is our required question. It means if the function given in u terms, we can change this is into normal form, and that is homogeneous in what degree, and write the by Euler's theorem. What is that question? From that question we find the dou u by dou theta, dou 2u by dou theta, and dou r by dou theta, dou 2u by dou theta 2, like that, and substitute in the given equation. All terms are cancelled, it will become 0. One simple question again is there, that is, suppose obtain all the second order partial differential equation for w is equal to x cube y square minus xy5. You know what is, first of all we know what is second order equations. Second order equation means they did not give here, find these ones. Second order equations means second derivatives. Second derivatives, without finding the first derivatives we cannot find the second derivatives. So the given function is w is equal to x cube y square minus xy5, means w is a function in xy terms. So we want to find dou w by dou x, dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, and dou 2w by dou x2, dou 2w by dou y2, dou 2w by dou x dou y, and dou 2w by dou y dou x. These four terms we want to find here. For this finding, definitely we find the dou w by dou x and dou w by dou y. So what is dou w by dou x? Dou w by dou x is x cube y square, means that is 3x square y square minus y5, because the derivatives of x is x cube derivative is 3x square, and the derivative for x is 1 into y5, 3x square y square minus y power 5. That is dou w by dou x, and dou w by dou y is 2x cube, because the derivative for y square is 2y, x cube as it is 2x cube y minus y5 derivative is 5y4, x is as it is. So 2x cube y minus 5xy4 is dou w dou y. And what is second derivative? Dou 2w by dou x2 is dou by dou x of dou w by dou x. That is dou by dou x of, what is dou w by dou x? That is 3x square y square minus y5. That is 3x square means 6x y square. y5 derivative is 0, because there is no x term in y power 5. This is dou w2 by dou x2. This is first second order equation, second order partial derivative. And another one is dou 2w by dou y2 is dou by dou y of dou w by dou y. That is dou by dou y of 2x cube y minus 5xy4. It will comes 2x cube minus 20xy cube. 2x cube minus 20xy cube means dou 2w by dou x dou y. That is dou 2w by dou y2. Dou 2w by dou x dou y is dou by dou x of dou w by dou y. That is dou by dou x of 2x cube y minus 5xy4. That is equal to 6x square y minus 5y4. This is just different here. Dou 2w by dou x dou y can be written as dou by dou x of dou w by dou y, and dou 2w by dou x is dou by dou y of dou w by dou x. If you find these two, dou by dou y of 3x square y square minus y power 5 means that is 6x square y minus 5y4. You see, similarly, already we know that the value of dou to w by dou x dou y is equal to dou to w by dou y dou x. In this case also we prove that dou by dou x of dou x 2x cube y minus 5x y4 is 6x square y minus 5y4. These both are same. That's why we can find the all second order derivatives. If they say that they find the all first order derivative, first just we find dou w by dou x and dou w by dou y. For second order means we can definitely we find this 4. That is dou w2 by dou 2 w by dou x2, dou 2 w by dou y2, and dou 2 w by dou x dou y, dou 2 w by dou y dou x. These 4 terms also. This is partial differential equations by using some Euler's theorem and solve the problems. Okay, thank you.